It's Mr. Mayday. Yeah. Ha. Ooh. Ooh.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tife. If you do not know who I am, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So let me officially tell you guys happy new year. Happy new year. I hope you guys had a great 2018. I want you guys to look forward into 2019 as a year that's going to be awesome for you guys, because it's going to be awesome for me. I don't know, by God's grace, I know that this year 2019 is going to be so awesome for me. Okay, so about this makeup look here, I'm transforming myself from the old 2018 girl, the old 2018 Tife that you know, into a new Tife of 2019, because I know God has told me that this year is going to be so awesome for me, because I'm special. I don't know, I want you guys to know that I'm very special, and I know that this year is going to be so awesome for me. So I'm looking forward to this year. So that's why I'm bringing to you guys this beautiful full glam makeup for my first makeup look of this year. I'm so excited about this look. This look just says greatness to me. I don't know, I'm just really excited about it. If you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned and keep watching this video. I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Bye guys. So I'm going to start off with my brows, and I've done my brows before so many times. I even have a tutorial that I'm going to link up here if you haven't seen it. Okay, so now the brows are done, and well, I think we've made a great deal of progress with my brows this year. Starting the year with on flick brows, Okay, so now I'm moving to my face. Then after that, I'm going to do my eyes. Now I'm going to use my Nuban Beauty Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Aurora. Skin has to be so popping when we start this year. Okay, so now I have that glow all blended in well, and I'm really liking the way it's looking. So if you're hearing any background noise, it's my fan making noise. The weather is so hot and I am dressed up to here literally, so therefore I cannot turn off my fan. I have my fan on and I have the AC on, so I'm sorry for the noise and the inconveniences. So yeah, this is a glow up look, so that's why, hence the glow. So now we're moving to the foundation, and for my foundation today, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal 24 Hours Infallible Pro Glow in 212 Cocoa. So next, I'm going to go in with my skin concealer in the shade 049 from Nuban Beauty, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face. So now in my skin concealer from also Nuban Beauty. I love these concealers, by the way. If you do not know, I really do love these concealers. I'm using the shade 046 to highlight my face. So now that I have all that blended, I'm going to go in my Sacha buttercup setting powder to just set under my eye. I'm not trying to bake my face. So to set my contour, I'm going in my Zaron face definer, and I'm using that brown shade in the middle. Now using my Milani powder and this brush, I'm going to set my whole face. This is in the shade Deep. So now I'm going to do my eyes, and I feel like to start off this year you need to have a shouty look, you know, to let your haters know that you have a god that has your back. I am going to go into my Queen Amina palette 2, and then I'm just going to take, I'm going to be using 2 orange shades today, and I'm excited about that because, like, I don't know, it's just new for me, like orange shades. Okay, so I'm going to put before I move into my eyes, I'm going to put, what they call it, setting powder under my eye to catch out any fallouts, because I know that this palette has a lot of fallouts from it. So let me do that. I'm trying so hard not to like stain my outfits, because I mean, white, who wants to get white dirty? It's very hard to wash. So the first thing I'm going to do to my eyes, I'm going to go in with my skin concealer. Okay, so now that I have that concealer blended out, because I want the eyeshadow to really pop, I'm not going to set my lid. I'm going to dive into the eyeshadow look. And like I said before, I'm going to try something very new today, which is orange. I'm going to be using this, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to be using these 2 orange shades. They're called Magachia and Zazwa. I feel like it's a house name, so I don't really know how to pronounce them. So these 2 orange shades, one has a little bit of shimmer in it, and one is like a full on shimmer shimmer eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my lid, then I'm going to blend out with Magachia afterwards. I hope this comes up nicely. Ah, god help me, I'm so like okay, here goes nothing. I feel like there's something that, like, when you use your finger to blend out a shimmy eyeshadow, like there's no like little or minimal fallout. Like the fallout is like so minimal. I'm just tapping it on my finger. And I also feel like when you apply shimmer shades with your finger, it comes off more pigmented. That's how I feel like personally about shimmer shades. So this is what I just applied. So now I'm going into the shade Magachia, and I'm just taking that and I'm just going to use that to like diffuse the edges of, it's also an orange shade by the way, I'm just using it to diffuse the edges of what I already have going on. Starting of the year with orange is such a bold thing to do, and me, I'm ready to make bold choices this year, so let's go. So happy about the way this eyeshadow looks right now. So for my inner tear though, I'm going to be using the shade 1533 from the same palette, and I'm just going to be putting that in my inner tear ducts and blending it out. So you see that eyeshadow didn't even take like time at all. Like it's just so fiery and so beautiful. I really like the way it looks. So I'm not doing any wing liner and I'm not doing any bottom liner. Okay, I feel like I'm going to use the black bottom liner. Going in with my Zaron Mascara, I'm just going to give my lashes a coat of mascara. So now I've done my my lashes off camera and it was a struggle. So now I'm going to go in with my Zaron Mascara and I'm going to apply my false. I'm going to apply my bottom lashes. I'm going to blush up my cheek using my BH Cosmetic eyeshadow and blush palette. And to set my brows, I'm going to be using my Block Cosmetics brow sets. And the next order of business is highlighter, and I'm going to be using my Nuban Beauty The Glow highlighter palettes. Like, I am so bronzed up right now, like I am transformed, like Nuban Beauty. Wow. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I'm going to go into my Milani Make It Last setting spray. So like, what do you guys think? I think I look awesome. So awesome. My Zaron eyebrow definer. I'm going to take my trusted lip liner, this shade from here. This is like my trusted lip liner. I don't know about any of you guys. And I'm going to line my lip. So on my bottom lip, I'm going to use my Nuban Beauty Pro Matte in the shade Safari. Just on my bottom lip. Only on my bottom lip. When you do something good, don't you be? So let me go and do my hair and I'll be back. This makeup is a glow up makeup. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video and I am so excited. So I was saying something about resolution this year. Okay, I don't particularly have New Year resolutions. They're just things that I see in my life that I want to change, and I'm going to share them with you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to change this year is I definitely want to get closer to God. I know that last year I was not, like, my relationship with God was very shaky. So this year I'm trying to get very close to God. I'm trying to not miss any Sunday at church. I'm trying to read my daily devotion, my open heavens, like every morning when I wake up. I'm trying to like pray before I go to bed and when I wake up. I'm trying to like just get close to God, because like God is the only one I have. I don't know what I would do without God. So I'm trying to get close to God. I'm also trying to improve myself, like my channel, myself as a whole, as a person, like health wise, spiritually, emotionally, physically, everything. Like I'm just trying to improve myself generally. I'm trying to post more often. I'm trying to create more looks. I was very lazy last year. See, I'm saying yesterday, I was very lazy last year. It was very hard for me to create looks. This year I'm trying not to be lazy, so I just really hope that God gives me the grace to like do all these things I'm really talking about here. So let me know your resolutions, like things you want to improve on this year. If you want to share them with me, please let me know in the comment section, and I really appreciate that, because I really want to like bond with you guys on a different level this year. So I hope you guys like this look. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, please do not forget to share this video with your friends and watch other videos on my channel. Like this video if you do like, turn on the post notification when you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that thing. Like, it is very important. You want to see me in full force, because I am coming for you guys in full force this year. So like, do not forget to do all those things, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
It's Mr. Maydi.